Afternoon, Chantilly fifth graders, you Tamarets, you. I am doing this video to kind of demonstrate the assignment that you were supposed to do with adding fractions and showing the different pieces. Okay, so let's get started. We are starting out here with one sheet of paper. Start with one sheet of paper, just like this. And we're gonna cut this sheet of paper in half. When you cut the sheet of paper in half, you come up with 2 sheets of paper. 2 sheets of paper, okay? Then it says, one of those halves, you didn't need to cut that in half. When you cut that in half, that in turn brings up 2 pieces. One that would be 1/4. Okay. You could do this 2 ways. You could cut it where the sheet of paper would look like this, or you can cut it where it would look like this. Okay. So then you had to cut that 1/4 piece of paper or size paper in half to create 1/8 paper that is 1/8. It can look like this at 1/8, or it can look like this at 1/8. Okay? It can look like this. Then the 1/8 size piece of paper, you needed to cut that in half. Snip, snip, cut that in half. And it will bring you to 1/16. A paper that is size 1/16, or the paper that is size 1/16 would look like this. Now after you get those sheets of paper cut like that, the instructions say to get 4 whole sheets of paper. 4 whole sheets of paper. So that's what we're doing. 4 whole sheets of paper. Okay. As you can see, we have 4 whole sheets of paper right here. You can see that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 whole sheets of paper. Then it asks you to start doing some math. Okay. Where you're going to add the cut pieces of paper to the whole sheets of paper. So that represents 1 1/2. 1 1/2. And say we want to do an equation 1 1/2 plus 1 1/8. So 1 1/2 plus 1 1/8. Okay? That is 3/2 plus 9/8. 2 will go into 8 4 times. So the denominator should be 8. Okay? So that will be 6/8 plus 9/8. And 6/8 plus 9/8 equals 15/8. And if you break that improper fraction down, 15/8 equal 1 7/8. 1 7/8 would be the answer to this particular equation. And that's what you're supposed to do. Take each one of these and make different combinations and make different equations. This one is 1 1/4. 1 1/4 plus 1 1/16. 1 1/4 plus 1 1/16. Okay? So, the common denominator would be 16, because 4 goes into 16. So, 1 1/4 is the same as 5/4. 1 1/16 is the same as 17/16. Okay? 4 goes into 16 4 times. So 4 times 5 is 20, so that's 20 24ths plus 17, no, 20 16ths, I'm sorry. Yeah. Goes in 4 times. Yeah. 20 16ths plus 17 16ths equals 37 16ths. Okay. 16 goes into 37 2 times, which is 32. Okay. With 5 left over, so that would be 2 and 5 16ths would be the answer to that equation. So again, you're to make equation and it asks how many can you make with these. You have to show a representation of one and submit it, just like I did with this video here. I'm Mr. Gary, doing fractions with sheets of paper. Over and out. Come to office hours if